it's been a long time. Haven't seen my friends in quite a while. Wasting all my life to stay inside. You could take me down to the west side. Long as you're around, I'ma be alright. Show me what it's like to be by your side. I'm like, ooh, high underneath the city lights with you. High, running around with nothing left to do. Taking all my dreams, make them all come true. Take a part of me and it's all brand new. High underneath the city lights with you. With you. Baby, don't rush. I don't ever seem to feel this much. If you wanna try, we could take it slow. Cause you never know, it's inevitable that one of us is gonna fall. Lately you've been breaking down my walls. Make me feel like I belong. If you wanna go, I risk it all. I'm like, ooh, high underneath the city lights with you.
Okay, this is the finished look. I did finish curling it, but I combed them out and I didn't let them sit like I would normally let my curls sit. But this is how it turned out.